Brussels, a European gem. Brussels, the capital of Belgium, is a vibrant city with a rich history, stunning architecture, and a unique blend of cultures. It's a city that seamlessly merges the old and the new, offering visitors a diverse range of experiences. Must-see attraction. Grand Place. This magnificent square is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the heart of Brussels. Admire the stunning Guildhalls, the ornate Town Hall, and the beautiful City Museum. Mannequin Pies. This iconic bronze statue of a little boy urinating into a fountain is a must-see for visitors. Atomium. This futuristic structure, built for the 1958 World's Fair, offers panoramic views of the city. Royal Palace of Brussels. This impressive palace is the official residence of the Belgian royal family. Cinquantenaire Park. This vast park is home to several museums, including the Royal Museum of Art and History and the Autoworld Museum. Belgian Comic Strip Center. Explore the world of Belgian comics, including Tintin and the Smurfs. Magritte Museum. Discover the surreal world of René Magritte, one of Belgium's most famous artists. Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium. Admire a vast collection of paintings and sculptures from the 15th to the 20th century. Place du Grand Sablon. This elegant square is home to antique shops, art galleries, and charming cafes. Place du Petit Sablon. This picturesque square is surrounded by beautiful townhouses and features a statue of Saint Michael slaying a dragon. Culinary Delight. Brussels is a foodie's paradise, offering a diverse range of culinary experiences. Be sure to try Belgian waffles, a must-try, especially with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Belgian chocolate. Indulge in delicious chocolates from renowned chocolatiers like Godiva and Neuhaus. Belgian beer. Sample a wide variety of Belgian beers, from light lagers to dark, complex ales. Moules frites. Mussels and fries, a classic Belgian dish. Practical tips. Language. While French and Dutch are the official languages, English is widely spoken. Transportation. Brussels has an efficient public transportation system, including buses, trams, and metro. Currency. The currency in Belgium is the euro. Best time to visit. Spring and autumn are the best times to visit Brussels, when the weather is mild and there are fewer crowds. Brussels is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or simply exploring a vibrant European city, Brussels is sure to impress. The Atomium is a unique and iconic landmark in Brussels, Belgium. It was originally constructed as the centerpiece of the 1958 Brussels World's Fair. The Atomium is a giant model of an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. It consists of 9 spheres connected by tubes, representing the 8 atoms of an elementary cubic cell of an iron crystal. The spheres are connected by tubes that contain escalators and stairs, allowing visitors to move between the spheres. The Atomium offers stunning panoramic views of Brussels from its top sphere, as well as exhibitions and educational experiences within its other spheres. It's a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of Belgium's innovative spirit. Brussels offers a delightful culinary experience, with a wide range of delicious dishes to satisfy every palate. Here are some of the must-try foods in Brussels. Belgian waffles. Liege waffles. These are thick, chewy waffles with a caramelized sugar crust. They are often topped with powdered sugar or whipped cream. Brussels waffles. These are lighter and airier than Liege waffles, with a rectangular shape and deep pockets. They are often topped with fruit, whipped cream, chocolate sauce, or maple syrup. Belgian chocolate. Belgium is renowned for its high-quality chocolate. You can find a variety of chocolates, from milk chocolate to dark chocolate, and with a range of fillings, including pralines, nuts, and fruits. Belgian beer. Belgium boasts a rich brewing tradition, with a wide variety of beers to choose from. Some popular styles include Belgian Pale Ale, a light and refreshing beer with a hoppy flavor. Belgian Wit Beer, a cloudy wheat beer with a citrusy and spicy flavor. Belgian Trappist Beer, a strong, dark beer with a complex flavor profile. Moules frites. This classic Belgian dish consists of mussels cooked in a flavorful broth, served with a side of crispy fries. Carbonade Flamande. A hearty beef stew braised in beer with onions, carrots, and bay leaves. A traditional Belgian dish made with mashed potatoes and vegetables like carrots and leeks. Waterzooi. A hearty stew made with chicken or fish, vegetables, and a creamy sauce. When visiting Brussels, be sure to explore the city's many cafes, bars, and restaurants to sample these delicious dishes and drinks. Brussels offers a wide range of hotels to suit every budget and preference. Here are some of the top-rated hotels in the city. Sofitel Brussels Europe. This luxurious hotel is located in the European Quarter and offers stunning views of the city. Hotel Amigo. This boutique hotel is located in the heart of Brussels and offers elegant rooms and suites. The Hotel Brussels. This historic hotel is located on the Grand Place and offers luxurious accommodations and a Michelin-starred restaurant. Novotel Brussels City Centre. This modern hotel is located near the Brussels South Railway Station and offers comfortable rooms and a fitness centre. Ibis Brussels City Centre. This budget-friendly hotel is located in the city centre and offers clean and comfortable rooms. Hotel Metropole. This historic hotel is located near the Grand Place and offers elegant rooms and a traditional Belgian brasserie. Meininger Hotel Brussels City Centre. This hostel offers a variety of accommodation options, including private rooms and dormitories. B&B Hotel Brussels Centre Gare du Midi. This budget hotel is located near the Brussels South Railway Station and offers comfortable rooms and a continental breakfast. When choosing a hotel in Brussels, consider your budget, preferred location, and desired amenities. You can use online booking platforms like Booking.com or Hotels.com to compare prices and find the best deals. Brussels offers a vibrant nightlife scene with a diverse range of bars, clubs, and music venues. Delirium Café. This iconic bar boasts an extensive selection of Belgian beers, making it a must-visit for beer lovers. Moda Lambic. This beer bar specializes in sour beers, offering a unique and flavorful experience. Le Bouchon. This cozy wine bar offers a great selection of wines, as well as delicious tapas and charcuterie boards. Au Dairingman. This traditional Belgian pub offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere, perfect for a casual drink. Fuse, this world-renowned club is known for its electronic music scene, hosting both local and international DJs. C12, this club offers a mix of electronic, house, and techno music, attracting a diverse crowd. Bloody Louie, this hip-hop club is a popular spot for those who love to dance to the latest beats. La Madeleine, this historic venue hosts a variety of events, including live music, comedy shows, and club nights. L'Arcadic, this historic venue offers a wide range of live music, from jazz and blues to classical and world music. The Music Village, this jazz club is a great place to catch a live performance by local and international musicians. Brussels offers a variety of activities for young people, catering to different interests and age groups. Here are some popular options. Outdoor activities. Parks and gardens. Brussels has several beautiful parks, such as the Parc du Cinquantenaire and the Parc de Brussels, perfect for picnics, sports, or simply relaxing. Cycling. Rent a bike and explore the city's many bike paths and cycleways. Canals. Take a boat tour along the Brussels-Charleroi Canal, a peaceful way to see the city from a different perspective. Cultural activities. Museums and art galleries. Visit world-class museums like the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium, the Magritte Museum, or the Comic Strip Centre. Concerts and theatre. Check out the cultural agenda for concerts, theatre performances, and other events. Festivals. Brussels hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, including the Brussels Summer Festival and the Brussels Jazz Festival. Remember, Brussels is a diverse city with something for everyone. Don't be afraid to explore and discover new activities and interests. By understanding the pros and cons and following these tips, you can make the most of your experience living in Brussels.